Denise Morris here from Knack Training, and today's quick fix video is about loop agendas, but specifically inside of a Teams channel. Do you want your meeting agenda where everyone can see it without digging through their emails or checking their calendar? I'm going to show you how you can create a loop agenda and pin it inside of your team channel for instant access. Let me show you how. First, I'm going to create the event on my calendar, and I've added the title and I've added who needs to be there. And then down here it says add an agenda, and this is a loop component. This is a loop agenda that will be inside of the meeting where I can look at it and type and whoever can add to it. But we can also send it in an email or we can pin it into a team channel, which is what we're going to do. So I'm going to go ahead and add my information to my agenda. Okay, my agenda is filled in and we can see it's using a checklist. I know it's a loop component because it has this purple line around it. And I can go ahead and send this. I can also go ahead and copy this component so that I can share it in those other places I mentioned. So I'm going to click copy component, and then I'm going to send this meeting invite. Now I'm going to go into the Teams channel and pin the agenda there. So I go to the team channel, I click post, and I can call this weekly agenda and completely just post the loop in here, and it is interactive from here as well. So I'll go ahead and click post, and then I mentioned pinning it. So if I pin it, everyone will see it at all times when they are looking at it. As you can see, it's right here at the top being pinned. So we can pin it at the top, and we can also go over here and pin for everyone on the actual post. So no one can complain that they didn't know where this agenda was. And there you have it. Using that loop agenda, it's front and center inside of that team channel. Pinning your loop component can make your collaboration effortless. Remember, quick fix, small changes, big wins.